Annyeonghaseyo, honey.
안녕하세요.
So, SGNIM gives you 500 pesos allowance and additional chooks to go for our dinner. Since Claire is not arrived yet from school, so kita lang sa mga ani ha. So, wow, nice lagi na imong ko anak. Honey. Just arrived from school, honey. Okay, SGNIM, kamsamida.
SG님, 감사합니다.
Also for our chooks to go. Okay, kao na. Gutom na ka, day?
Ilang magigiingon anak kung kabaga niya. Hindi di man yung baga ang uratics lang. Hindi, kanila siya kay baga ni siya.
Annyeonghaseyo, Reniel. Good morning. So, we're going to school na. Complete uniform lagi talagang. Wapo lagi tayo talagang. Tawa? Nice lagi tag outfit. Okay, so, you have your 50 pesos allowance and that is from, pinsa gani?
Chukumini,
And that is from Chukuminim.
chukumini, kamsamida.
Kamsamida Chukuminim. Okay, go to na. Bye.
SG님, 감사합니다 for the eggs.
So, we're here at Yesano Grand Mall. So, we're here to Jollibee. So many people here. Hi guys! Boy, what happened to you? So here we're waiting for order. So it's very far. 06027. It's very far. Waiting. Very far. So we ordered Jollibee Super Meal. So there's spaghetti, chicken, mushroom, and rice. Hoy, walay mag-diet ha.
Ryan, second rice. Angel, second rice. Dayan, second rice. Kami, wala. Diet. Legend, diet. Cherry diet, also me diet. Asa daw?
안녕하세요. So Brian snacks is Fudgy bar and crack and cheese Alaska. And that is from
안녕하세요. I'm buying some snacks and will be buying so my and Sajihonim. Thank you for giving me for snacks. 감사합니다. Bye bye. 감사합니다.
Okay, they're brushing their teeth. Lower and upper, ha? Then close your tongue. Brush it properly. After this, we have our checking our nails. You already have your pen. I mean, you already have your marker and whiteboard. Okay, sige. So prepare and get ready for your spelling bee. Okay? So your spelling bee is all about your story. Okay? To assess if you really know the meaning of your story. Because it is not right nga kabalo ka mo basa. You also need to comprehend what you read. Dapat kasabutan mo sa inyong basa. Okay? And in contrast to that, dapat kabalo mo sa spelling. Okay? Sige, start na. Okay. I'll be giving points, ha? Okay, number 1. Far. Far. Oy, cover your answers if finished na. Okay, raise your tab boards. Far. Okay, very good. Ano sa ng far?
Layo.
Oh, very good. Layo. Okay, another. Let's have sugat to ganahan i-read ni Lisa?
Book.
Okay, books. Cover your answers if you are done. Okay. Okay, raise your tag words. Very good. Books, say books. Okay. Books and notebooks are different. Okay? Dili pareha ha. Books kay libro. Notebook. Oh, just like that notebook. Okay, sige. Another one. Meat. Meat. Okay, cover. Dili mo tanaw sa other nga answers. Okay, raise. Meat. Unsay spelling sa meat, Ati Ana?
M-E-E-T.
Okay, double E, Ati ha. Unsa man ang meat?
Like, kailangan magkita sila.
Okay, very good. Unsa nang meat?
Magkita!
Kita sila. Kinsa man to'y kakita niya? Yung Okay, yung mga friends. Okay, friends. Spell the word friends. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Teacher Sheila.
Okay, today is Thursday, August 15. We will do our weekly task to memorize the story, and the title of the story is Ben and Brownie. First group.
Ben and Brownie. This is Ben. He lives in a simple house. Ben has a big brown hen. He calls her Brownie. Brownie has some chicks. Ben gives Brownie some corn. He gives the chicks some corn.
Okay, next group.
Ben and Brownie. This is Ben. He lives in a simple house. Ben has a brown hen. He calls her Brownie. Brownie has some corn. Chicks. Ben gives Brownie some corn. He gives and chicks. He lives
The chick some.
He gives the chicks some corn.
Okay, thank you, everyone.
You're welcome, Teacher Sheila.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.